Okay, so here's my canvas and here's the picture that I'm going to paint from. Now I need to make a window so I can do a section of the image, and I want to make the window the same proportion to my canvas. So this is why I'm measuring up this paper. As you can see, I'm doing it from one corner of my canvas to the other corner, and then as I draw a line, that creates a rectangle on that sheet of paper, which is the same portion, well, of course smaller, but proportionately the same as the canvas. I'm going to fold it over. Get some scissors. I'll get the ruler first. I'm just going to draw some line on it first, so I know where to cut. And I'll get some scissors and I just cut out this section. Now, as you can see, that's half the size, so I need to extend it up to the line again so I can get the full size. But this window then is now the same proportion as my canvas. There we go. I place it on the photograph. Now I can start moving it around to try and get an interesting composition. There's probably a few interesting compositions here. Here's one which looks rather interesting. Got a bit of a sort of a diagonal going on there with the figure. Got nice lines here, some horizontal lines, some vertical lines running through, just to create a nice composition. And move it around again just to see if there's anything else. Can't see much there. No, got a nice composition there. That's looking interesting. Got some nice lines, diagonal lines. Got a diagonal line along there. Bit of a sort of horizontal thing running there. Just you sort of find things that connect up. It makes it an interesting composition. Not much going on there. So it's a choice between this one. Do I do this one or shall I do the other one? I think I'll opt for this one. So I choose this one for my final piece. Got some nice interesting bits there with detail and also some simple shapes, so it's a really interesting composition. Now you could have a photocopy of your to work on top, but I've made a little pencil drawing so I can square it up. Now I'm not going to use squaring up method. I'm going to use what I call the diagonal method. So I do diagonal lines across the image, so I don't have to actually do any measuring. I'll then just repeat those lines on my canvas, so that enables me then to fill the spaces and make a large image on my canvas. So add a little bit more detail into the areas. Once I've got a general drawing through. Working on those beads. making sure that the structure of the beads makes sense.